Hi guys, this is Jackie from techjackie.com and welcome you to another video on SEO. In today's video, I'd like to discuss on one of the most frequently asked questions that I get all the time, and that is, what do you mean by quality content in SEO? I'm sure you must have heard it thousands and thousands of times that in order to rank well on Google, you need to create good quality content. But what does it actually mean? In this video, I'll teach you and explain to you what does it mean. According to my experience, quality content follows these four characteristics. That is, number one, the content should be deep. And what I mean by deep here is the content should cover all the relevant topics. Next, it should be comprehensive. Comprehensive here means it should cover all the related topics. Now, there's a thin line of difference between deep and comprehensive. Deep means it covers relevant topics, whereas comprehensive, it covers related topics. So let me give you an example. Suppose you want to rank for a keyword Empire State Building. The relevant topics would be something like how tall is the Empire State Building, or how far is Empire State Building from Times Square, something like that, which are relevant to Empire State Buildings. Whereas related topics would be something like about New York, about Times Square, or about anything which are related to Empire State Buildings but not are relevant to the topic. Hope you're getting the point here. Third, it should be keyword targeted. So this is pretty straightforward. Like in order to rank for any content, you need to make sure that your content contains the keyword, and it should be fully focused on that keyword, right? Like, for example, have your keyword present on your content, have your keyword present in your title tag, meta description, all this stuff. So pretty straightforward here. And lastly, it should satisfy users' intent. So for example, if the majority of content ranking on the first page are blog articles, you would have to create blog articles for that. Or if the majority of content ranking on the first page are product pages, you need to create a product page for that. It depends on the user's queries. Also, besides, I also got this questions many times that you have to write long form of content in order to rank well. And also, people would normally associate long form content with being a good quality content. And I would definitely say that this is a big no, because I've created one of the videos which I talked about, how many words you should write for your content. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can watch that video. But actually, a good quality content doesn't mean a long form content. So let me give you an example here. So for example, if I do a search for what does SEO means, if you carefully analyze the first page ranking results, you'll see that the majority of contents are less than 3,000 words article long. So let me show you here with the help of the tool here in order to speed up the process. So I've used this free tool called Cognitive SEO, which allows me to pull up the top 20 ranking results. And if you see it carefully, like for example, the number one results are people also ask section, so we'll skip that. Number two results contains 2,619 words. So let me zoom this in for you. The number two results contain 2,619 words. Number three contains 2,846. Number four contains 1,276. Number five contains 1,502. So you can do it. You can analyze it by yourself. You see that the top 10 ranking pages are like less than 3,000 words long. And surprisingly, if you look at from 8th position onwards, from 8th to 20, you see that the contents are above 3,000 words. So on the 8th position, there is 3,293, and then 3,943, and starting on second pages, on the second page is 4,104, 6,102, 4,014, 1,716. So there's a trend here. You can clearly see that the top 10 ranking results are less than 3,000 words, and the next 10 results on the second page are more than 3,000 words, the majority of them. So what does this mean? It means that Google likes ranking less number of words for this particular queries, which means that for the majority of users, let's say the range between 1,500 to 3,000 words are what users are actually expecting or looking for. So as I said, it depends on queries by queries. Suppose if you want to rank for a guide on something, let's say SEO guide, then you probably need to write at least 5,000 words. But for this particular queries, 1,500 to 2,000 words should be enough, and it should satisfy user intent. So good quality content doesn't always mean a long form content, right? These are very misconceptions that people have. So hope you find this video valuable, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below, and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. And if you have any topic on your mind that you would like me to make a video on, make sure you comment down in the comment section down below as well. And if you like the video, make sure to press the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about SEO. And that's all for it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.